What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how to use the watch window in Excel. So here we have a situation where we have the median average sales price of houses sold by region for every quarter from 1963 through the third quarter of 2023. So here we have a situation where we have a lot of data and we are looking for the growth rate per quarter, where if we go to the summary page, this is the actual growth rate for each quarter, and you want to say, well, what would the growth rate be, what would the final values be, just hypothetically if the growth rate was maybe 2% instead of this. So here we have this right here, where instead of the growth rate seen in this, we have just 2% just hard-coded in here. And here we have a final values hypothetical, where we would see what the final value would be if it was 2% as opposed to the actual rate. So the point here is that sometimes you have a worksheet or workbook and you have values you're looking to keep track of. And you're looking to see, okay, how does this value change if I change something else? But with that being said, it can be kind of inconvenient to go from one part of the worksheet to another part of the worksheet, or from one worksheet to another worksheet, back and forth and back and forth. So the watch window is great because it can make your life so much easier in that regard. So to use the watch window, first, highlight the cells you're looking to watch. So for us, it's going to be these right here. Then go to the Formulas tab, and under the Formula Auditing section, there is going to be an option called Watch Window. Now, when you first click it, it's going to be blank. That's because you want to do Add Watch. It's going to go to default to the cells that you have highlighted, then click Add. And here we have it. So now as you can see, there's a window that shows the workbook for the cells that you're watching, the sheet, the name of applicable, the cell itself, and the different values. So for example, you can go ahead and see, so for example, if this changes to 1.5%, you can see the values go down drastically. If it goes up to 5%, as you can see, it's very, very sensitive to the growth rate. And 1.8%. Please note that this is defaulting to 2 just because of the rounding. Alt H0 should fix that. So with that being said, this can make your life so much easier when you're looking to keep track of different values. And I really hope that this was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or suggestions. Any support is extremely helpful, and let me know if there's anything you want to see in a future video. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.